Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Bgmi and go straight to the Emote interface. Tap the Emote icon in the lobby or during a match. This opens the wheel where assignments live. Once done, make sure you're on the account that owns the emote, otherwise changes won't save. You'll see slots and your unlocked emotes. Press and hold any slot to begin swapping. This is the first actionable step that immediately lets you reassign a connection emote. Once the emote wheel is open, hold the slot you want to change and select the emote categorized for connection or link functions. You have to drag and drop or tap confirm depending on your UI. This binds the emote to the slot. You should see a small preview icon confirming the assignment. Make sure to save or exit the menu properly so the client writes the change to your profile. If you plan to use it in a squad, test it immediately in a custom lobby. You finish by exiting the menu and confirming the emote remains in the chosen slot. Then restart Bgmi to ensure the server registers the change. If the connection emote fails to appear, clear the app cache, relogin, and repeat assignment. This often resolves sync issues. If problems persist, collect your account ID and recent purchase timestamps and contact support. This final troubleshooting step gives you a clear recovery path so you can get back to using the connection emote quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.